What we have today is a 1948 Willys pickup wrecker truck. This has been a wrecker all of its life. Flathead 4-cylinder, 3-speed on the tree. The wrecker winches and boom works as it should. Truck starts up and runs great. Drives down the road. Pretty cool truck. You don't really see these very often. Weaver auto crane. It's got a set of dollies. It's got the old Mack Bulldog on the hood. Front winch is a Koenig Ironworks. All winches are PTO driven. Push button door handles. Rescue wrecker. Three on the tree. Pretty cool. 1948 Willys pickup truck wrecker. Drives good. Any questions? Call Davey at 330-337-5037. There's my info. Give me a call. It's a pretty cool truck. Thanks. Have a good day.